I am Dr. Krishnakumar.
Now we are going to discuss about nature and significance of management. Nature and significance of management. Management is the art and science of preparing, organizing and directing human efforts to control the forces and utilize the material of nature for the benefits of a man. Definition of management. A few definitions by some of the prominent writers on the subjects are given below. According to F.W. Taylor, management is the art of knowing what you want to do and then seeing that it is done in the best and cheapest way. Next, according to Henry Fayol, to manage is to forecast and to plan, to organize, to command, to coordinate and to control. Then, management is the coordination of all resources through the process of planning, organizing, directing and controlling in order to attain stated objectives. Next, nature of the management. The following are the characteristics of management. First one is management is universal. The principle and techniques of management have universal application. They can be applied to all types of organizations, business, social, educational and religious. Then management is a social process. Management is basically a social activity because management is mainly related with the human activity of an enterprises. Then management is goal oriented. The purpose of management is to achieve certain goals. The main objective of management is to maximize efficiency and economic of human efforts. The fourth one, management is activity based. Management refers to distinct class of activities which could be learned and put into practice. Next one is management is integrative process. The essence of management is integration of human and other resources is a manner that it leads to effective performance. Next one is management is a group activity. It is concerned with the group efforts because it creates effective cooperation among persons working together in a group. Nature and scientific management. Management is intangible. The management is not intangible activity of business enterprises. It is direction and control of business activity which can be flipped but cannot be seen or touched. Next one is management is a dynamic. Management involves creating an internal environment or conditions whereby people are able to perform their tasks efficiently. Management is a continuously growing process. Next, ninth one is management is a multidisciplinary subject. Management contains principles drawn from many social sciences like sociology, economics, etc. Next one is management accomplishes results through others. The essence of management is integration of human and other resources in such a way that it leads to effective performance. Next one is management is both a science and an art. The management as a science provides general principles which can guide the managers in their professional activities. The management as an art provides the best possible solution of the problems and the best possible explanations of available resources. Next, The objectives of the management. In brief, the objective of managements are as follows. First one is highly efficiency. Management seeks to be obtain maximum output with minimum resources and efforts. Next one is satisfaction of consumers. Management attempt to produce products required by the customers. The third one is adequate return on capital. Management must achieve a reasonable rate of return for owners of the business. Fourth one is satisfied workforce. Management attempts to build a team of good workers who are happy and satisfied with the organization. The next one is better working conditions. Management seeks to achieve a system to ensure fair wages for the work, security of employment and better working conditions for the workforce. The next one is relations with suppliers. Management seeks to achieve good relations with the suppliers of raw materials and capital so as to continue in production. The seventh one is contribution of national goals. The management must contribution the national goal. It should use the judicious use of scarce resources of the country. Thank you.